Okay, so before we start playing with this over here, let's look at a couple of things that curtain walls will typically do for us. So I'm going to go to my ground level, and I want you to see how they kind of work within other walls. I'm going to go up here, and I'm going to grab a, let's see, let's just grab a generic 8-inch masonry wall, okay? And I'm going to put that generic masonry wall right here. Now, I'm going to go here to wall, and when I go to wall architectural, now I'm going to go down to storefront first. I'll click on storefront, and when I click on storefront, notice you're saying, Joel, why are you drawing a wall within the wall? Well, first off, I want to do something. I just want to go up to first floor here. I don't want to go all the way up to the roof. Then when I go to wall architectural and I say I want to put this storefront in, I also want to go to the first floor. But I want a top offset. And I want a top offset of maybe minus, let's say minus 2 feet. Okay. And if I draw a section of that within this wall, notice what happens. I go to my 3D view. Look at how the curtain wall automatically put itself in that masonry wall. Now, let's see if I can go back to that ground level and click on that. And you see, I don't click on these portions of it to adjust it. You see, I click on the wall itself. Look how I can adjust it within that space, okay? Now, what if I went in and I made this wall a little longer, and instead of putting a storefront, I go to wall and I put an actual curtain wall in there, and I draw a line here and I draw to here. Notice it's saying, wait, these walls overlap. So you can see if I hover, it kind of ghosts itself right there. You see? Right there, I can barely select it. If I draw a window, I can select it. That's where my curtain wall is. Well, why did it do that? I want to stop the video and talk about something. So what we just discussed, everyone, is how storefront by default is embedded in your wall. That's why I could draw it and it popped right up. But curtain wall does not automatically what? It does not automatically embed itself. But if I check that option, I can make Revit do that, but that's not a true condition right here. That's not how curtain wall actually works. That's why by default, okay, it's unchecked, and we're going to treat it that way. We want it to not automatically embed itself. So what I want you to do, I'll go ahead and stop this video. I'll let you all draw a generic wall of some sort. I just picked masonry. Yours can be something else. And just experiment putting some storefront in there and then putting curtain wall in there and seeing the difference in how they populate, okay? And we'll pick up in the next video. I have spoken.